Ever read the fine print on anything? Whether it's your 16-page car lease or your iTunes terms of service. Sometimes when there's an issue you wish you had. This may be one of these times. In this video you'll learn all the aspects of the Flex Duo range. Then we'll compare Samsung versus its main competition, the Cafe range, as well as JennAir's oven and baking drawer. At the end of the video, you'll learn what a Samsung range with Flex Duo can actually do, how it stacks up against its competitors, and whether it's right for you and your family, and of course how reliable it is. Samsung now offers two slide-in ranges with the Flex Duo feature. The difference is one is 0.2 cubic foot bigger with more output on two burners. It also has the new air fry feature and more streamlined controls for about $300 to $400 more. Both are slide-ins, not front control ranges. They fit over the seams, eliminating the seam between the counter and the range for easier cleanup. But this makes them a bit more difficult to replace a regular 30-inch range. Let's look at some features. The Flex Duo feature is an interesting concept. It's twin convection with one fan on the top and one on the bottom, rather than side by side like every other unit. The unit can be either one larger oven or flexed by adding a smart divider in the middle of the oven for two smaller convection ovens. The Flex concept is different from other double ovens like Cafe with a permanent double oven only. It has advantages, like two convection ovens versus one in every other double oven. So in theory, the temperature should be more even in a Samsung with two convection ovens. You have good output in both ovens. The power burners can be as high as 23,000 and 16,000. You also have a wok rate and a grill burner in the middle as well. The other burners are lower powered at 9,500 BTU and a dedicated simmer burner at 5,000 BTU. Samsung is one of the most reliable gas ranges at only 6.35% repaired within the first year versus 11.92% for gas ranges and 13.4% for appliances based on our 35,000 service calls completed last year. Samsung may be reliable, but they have problems with service availability in certain areas of the country. Always make sure you know you can fix your appliances before you buy them. The range has good output, a novel approach to cooking, and is reliable, so what's the problem? If you set the top oven to 300 degrees, the lower oven can only be set at 250 to 375 and bake a roast. So you can't cook in both ovens at every temperature. We have all the temperature constraints and parameters laid out on our blog post, plus the results of our cooking test on both ovens. Now many brands advertise double oven ranges. However, they're ovens with smaller baking drawers. It's not a bad concept. You have a massive main oven and a smaller drawer just for baking. It's not a dual convection with any other functionality. JennAir and KitchenAid are the most popular of that style. Cafe does not have a divider like Samsung's Flex Duo. It's a true double oven, so you don't have temperature limitations like Samsung's Flex Duo feature. However, the top oven is not convection, but I question whether you need air circulation in an oven that small. The larger oven on the Cafe does sit on the floor, so you have to bend down further for that roast or holiday turkey. You don't have to bend as far in the Samsung because it does have that storage straw. The Cafe is also $500 to $750 more expensive. I liked this range way more before I did any research on it. The Flex Duo feature is still a good concept if you use the second oven sparingly or work around its limitations. It does have good output, reliability, and features, especially on the cooktop. I recommend reading the manual or a blog post to see the limitations and cooking results. Also, you may want to consider other double oven ranges like Cafe, KitchenAid, and JennAir as well. Thanks for watching. Click the link at the end of the video to download our free gas cooking buying guide.